Hello friends, today we're going to see exception landing in Python. Exception means errors. So exception landing is a process of responding to the occurrence of exceptions. So in programming languages, generally we get three types of error: compile time error, logical error, and runtime error. In compile time error, if I miss any comma colon in the if statement means we get error like this: invalid syntax or syntax error, compile time error. So the program will not compile successfully. It is called compiled error. And logical error is if a user need to print the value of 2 plus 2 equal to 4 and everything compiled successfully means if we need to get 2 plus 2 equal to 4 and instead of 2 plus 2 equal to 4 if we get 2 plus 2 equal to 3 means it is called logical error. We miss any logic in the programming. And third is runtime error. The runtime error, the program compiled successfully and the logic also came successfully. And the runtime error, if a user need to print the value of 5 by 2 equal to 2 by 2.5, we need the output of that 5 by 2 equal to 2.5. And if we print the value of 5, a equal to 5 and b equal to 0 means we get error. It is called runtime error. Let's see. See, there is error, zero division error. It is called runtime error. So in the exception landing, we going to print the this program a equal to 5, b equal to 0 as example. Instead of error, we need to print the message like this. There is error, please correct it. So that only we going to see in exception landing. So we can't print a number divided by 0. It will print error. So instead of that errors, we going to print a message like there is error, please correct it. So let's run this program. See, there is error, please correct it. And instead of getting errors, we get a message like this only. So this is called exception landing. We need to print a message or display something instead of errors. For that, we are using exception landing. In exception landing, there are two blocks: try block and except block. In the try block, we're going to try the statement which we handle errors. Like we can't print a c equal to a by b, a equal to 5, b equal to 0. So 5 by 0, it's not possible. So that we're going to execute in the try block. And in the except block, we're going to print a message. There is error, please correct it. So this is a basic example of exception landing, guys. I hope you learned something in it. So this is exception landing. We're using exception landing in the real time also, in the ATM also. For example, if a customer has the main balance as 5,000 means if he withdrawing 10,000 means he gets a message like your amount is not withdrawn successfully, please correct it. So that so they're using exception landing concept. So it's a very essential part in the programming language, guys. Please learn carefully. So that's all, guys, today about video. Okay, guys, bye.